plan that they have 3 different floor plans in here. And there's an advantage for this floor plan because, like I was saying, it has a bedroom down and 3 full bathrooms.
Wow, 3 full.
Oh my gosh, where can you buy a house these days with a 3 full bathroom? Most of the time, you're lucky even if you get a half, right? Come on, let's go. So basically when you come in, I don't think we have power yet, but if you come on this way, yeah, this is the full bathroom and it's actually pretty good size, look. You know what I mean? Like, it's a good size bathroom. This is the bedroom down. So if you have somebody, you know,
a guest and it's kind of separate from the rest of the family.
Right, or you can use this as an office, right? And you see, this is a pretty good sized closet. It's a really functional closet, Pete. Look at that, right? I mean, you could put shoes down there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this serves that purpose where you have a bedroom down, you have a full shower down, a tub, and look at this, Pete. Don't you think it's nice? Everything.
Granite counters have been put in.
Yeah, this is granite countertops and soft close. See? I think this is going to be their sink. And then that's going to be the cooktop over here. And check this out.
Whoa.
Hi there. But it vents out. Look.
Yeah, that's where the vent will be.
And here is, you know, pantry, right?
Yep.
Yeah. And this is a good size. Look. See how big this is? I mean, this is a really nice size, right?
It is.
Yeah. And the backyard, I want to say that the backyard is like 22 feet. Don't worry about it.
I don't see the loft, but yeah.
Let's go upstairs.
Okay.
Want to check it out? Come on. See, this is where they're setting this up right now. Right?
Right.
Look.
Oh, yeah.
It has a loft.
It's going to be a loft up here.
Right? It's a good sized loft. It's huge, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And it's got the separation between the primary and the secondary bedrooms. So you have bedroom number 1 over here. Pete, it's big.
This
I'm
one's
not
deep,
kidding you. Look at this. Look, this is 1, 2, and then like 2.5 of me, right? Yeah, it's really big. I can't believe how big the bedrooms are. Well, because these days the bedroom is so tiny.
They are.
Right?
Especially southwest area.
Yeah. I mean, like, look. This is a pretty deep closet, look. Right? It goes from here all the way there. Most of them, you only get like half of it.
Yeah, half of that.
Let's look at bedroom number 2. Oh my gosh, Pete, look at, okay, this is the bathroom. It's kind of dark right now because there's no electricity.
Yeah.
Can you turn your flash on? Okay, let's see. Yeah, so this is like a fiberglass, right? And it's a 1-piece. So your shower head's gonna go there. You're gonna have that, and it's pretty deep. You know, nothing special, but it's still a good size. You're not cramped or anything. It's a good floor plan, I think. And there's also a medicine cabinet here too.
It'll be installed there? Okay, it's already installed.
Yeah, it's already installed. Okay, this is the part that I love about this house. Look at this, Pete.
That's a big one.
I mean, like, look at this, right?
It's a walk-in closet for the
There's 2 of us in here.
Yeah.
I mean, like, yeah, this is like a bedroom in Japan, right? Yeah, and then even this room is also very, very decent. I mean, I haven't seen a floor plan that's this functional lately.
Yeah, the guests will like this. The guest bedroom sizes, the closet size.
Yeah. And I want to say this is like an 8-foot ceiling here.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go check out the primary bedroom.
Okay.
Oh, and this is a return. So this is where you change your
Put
air
the air
filter.
filter.
Yeah. So laundry room. You know, you have your own laundry room. This is where the attic access is, right?
Yeah, the crawl space.
Yeah. So laundry, it's still really spacious. You literally could put like a little cabinet over here, or if you have pets, right? Like
Was this
a
for the
pet bed.
networking?
Yeah, that is for the cable networking at the back.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think it's a very functional layout. I like this one. Look at this, Pete. Can you imagine living here?
It's pretty good, sizable.
Am I right? This is Pete. What's the square foot of this house? Do you think?
I'm guessing.
Just a guess.
2,800.
It's not that big.
Wow.
It's just a very good layout. It's only like 2,400 square feet.
It seems 2,800, 29.
It's
Close
not.
to 3, yeah.
It's not.
It seems like that after the bedrooms.
Right?
And this, yeah.
Okay, there is this closet in here. I mean, like, any girl would be happy with this closet. It goes in deep.
This is,
You see? Right? It's really deep, don't you think? I mean, like, if you're lucky, you have
This is
like
for the guy,
this.
and then this is for the
Yeah, this
the
is
husband and wife.
husband, wife, everything. Right? And it has air here too, Pete. So you're not gonna be, you know what I mean? Like sometimes the builders, they are cheap and then they don't put air. Like you gotta have air in here. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah. And let's check out the last space in this house, which is the primary bathroom. So it's laid out a little bit different. You have one sink, but it come in this way because it's like a U, and there's no door. So you're gonna toilet here and then shower here. You know what I mean? And it is one piece. So, yep, very, very simple, but it works, right?
Yeah, it is.
It gives you maximum space.
It does.
Yeah. I think it's a really good floor plan.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, we end this tour, but I'm going to show you where the model is going to be.
Okay.
Because, like I said, the model is not even open yet.
Wow.
Come on.
How far away is it?
This is one of the most popular charter schools in the Southwest. They have elementary all the way to high school. So if you get in, most of the parents don't let their kids out of this school. The only feedback is, I want to say that they don't have a bus service. So you have to get your kids, to school here. And it's really close to the Southwest. Properties that we saw literally like 2 minutes drive. Living in the Southwest, you must come to this place. It's called the Uncommons. And look at this beautiful space. It's super popular, and wait till you see all the food and dining and living, and people actually work and live here and play. So definitely come check it out. If you live in the Southwest, this is the newest casino that you want to come hang out at. Oh my gosh, they have restaurants and of course like lots of entertainment. But you know what's the most crazy thing? Is that they have an ice cold bath. So if you decided to stay here, you can have it ordered with a cold bath so that you could take a cold plunge in the tub. It's crazy. You gotta know where is the Uncommons. So check this out. We're literally in the middle of the Uncommons right now, and you have all kinds of fun places to go. Dining, you can work here, lifestyle, you can live here, and obviously you have 3 different places that you can rent. But the most fun thing is the food court. Let's go check it out. And living in Vegas, this is the fun part. Look at this. It's so beautiful here, and especially at night. This is why we came at night, so that you can look at the lanterns. Look at this. Isn't it magical? I love this place. Can you imagine yourself just hanging out here, living in the Southwest? When you live in the Southwest, this is the place that you're gonna shop at. It's called the Arroyo Market Center. And over here, there is Home Depot, there is Best Buy, there is Macy's, Walmart, Sam's Club, too many to name, but definitely this is the place you want to be. It is conveniently located at the 215 freeway and Rainbow. And if you go down Rainbow all the way, there are plenty of restaurants. This is like the place to be. And you're from Hawaii, or you look like you're from Hawaii, you gotta come and eat their food. I'm so excited to show you Zippy's. This is the only one, and you know, Vegas is the 9th island. You need more?